Hi, this is Vijay. Welcome to this channel. In this video, we are going to do a comparison between Powergrid Corporation and ONGC with respect to our trading tips given in SuperFans option trading plan. So before going to this comparison, I would like to say a few points about our trading tips platforms, which is operated by Bull Street through WhatsApp. So we have three kinds of trading tips platforms. One is known as SuperFans option, in which we give low budget option trading tips in stock option with entry and target in live market through WhatsApp. The subscription to join SuperFans option is 7,999 per month. And second one is SuperFans equity, in which we give highly speculative moving scripts, operator calls in equity and investment calls in equity on delivery basis. The subscription to join SuperFans equity is also 7,999 per month. And next one is we have another trading tips plan known as SuperFans Penny, in which we give equity stocks in the price range between 5 paise to 20 rupees. These are the long-term wealth-making stocks. No need to trade these stocks. Just buy and stay invested for few years. The subscription to join SuperFans Penny is also 7,999 per month. You can remit the subscription by Googlepay, GPay or PhonePE or Pay or Paytm, or even from your WhatsApp you can send subscription to this WhatsApp number. The WhatsApp number is given in the description box. We have only one WhatsApp number, only one Bull Street, only one Vijay, no other person is here. So beware of fake people who are reflecting our name in Telegram. We do not have any trading tips activities, we do not have any VIP group, we do not have any premium group in Telegram. All of our activities are only through WhatsApp and blog site. Now we go to the video. So instead of going for conventional stocks like IT stocks, auto stocks, pharma stocks, and other stocks, FMCG stocks, it is better. Sometimes we can also focus on public sector undertaking stocks. Here we have two stocks for comparison. One is Powergrid Corporation and another is ONGC. We gave two trading tips, two kinds of trading tips in each one trading tips in SuperFans option recently. And 2 days before we gave a trading tips in Powergrid 190 call option. The entry price is 50 paise. The target reached 70 paise on the next day as BTST, and lot size is 5,333 and profit end is 1,066. So we mean to say that the investment 2.6k becomes 3.73k in next day within 2 days, say 40 hours. Now come to the other stock, ONGC. In ONGC, yesterday, 9th, not yesterday, 9th September, we gave a trading tips in ONGC 140 call option. The entry price is just 40 paise. Yes, 40 paise. It reached the target and it reached finally 1 rupee and 5 paise. The lot size is 7,700. The investment is around 3,000 rupees. And here the profit alone is 5,000 rupees, 5,005. So we can say the investment 3k becomes 8k in intraday in 1 day. So we can conclude that the ONG is always better than Powergrid. Though Powergrid has a pan-India presence, it's a biggest company also. But on stock movement basis, particularly the F&O segment, the ONGC has the velocity higher than the Powergrid. So these are the comparison between these two stocks. So you can also have an eye on public sector stocks quite often. So subscribe to SuperFans option. You can also make money. So recently we gave one trading tips in Voltas 1200 call option. The investment 10k becomes 2.49 lakhs of rupees within 4 days span of time. So such kind of miracles, such kind of wonders you can see in SuperFans option trading tips plan. So you can remit the subscription and join immediately. Suppose you are a big trader, big matured trader or an HNI investor, you want to have more profits like double money trading tips. Double money trading tips is nothing but the investment has to be doubled within few days of holding, and triple money trading tips, investment has to tripled in few days holding, and mini jackpot investment has to multiply by 5 to 7 times, and in jackpots, occasional jackpots, the investment has to multiply by 10 times to 20 times and even more. See, the trading tips will be given in Bull Street Casino online trading tips magazine in live market. It's an online trading tips magazine. So you can subscribe. The subscription level is high and the return is very very high. So if you want to subscribe to Bull Street Cash and Online Trading Tips magazine, give a text message by request to this WhatsApp number. We will send the detailed subscription details and bank account details. You can subscribe and join immediately. So such kind of fabulous and high-end profits one can expect in Bull Street Cash and Online Trading Tips magazine. Disclaimer apply, conditions apply. So if you are willing to travel for a period of 1 year, 12 months, you can make fabulous profits. You can make a great fortune for you. Even you can reach the greatest 1 rupee. You know what I mean, the greatest 1 rupee. So at the end of 1 year, even before that also you can able to achieve. Such kind of opportunities are available in the market as well as this Bull Street Cash and Online Trading Tips magazine. Thank you very much. I am Vijay.